Well, the places families turn to for help with mental illnesses are now dwindling, and jails are becoming dumping grounds for the mentally ill.
But only here on 41 Action News, Ariel Rothfield shows us how a new program is helping keep some out of handcuffs and getting them the help they need.
Oh, Ralphie.
When Rafi Bright gets off the bus, he starts his nightly routine.
What's your favorite activity to do?
I try to be a wrestler.
Eating dinner with his friend and going for a walk.
Nice dog.
For him, this routine is necessary.
He doesn't have the friends a 17-year-old would. He doesn't understand at the same level.
Diagnosed with autism at 5 years old, Rafi also struggles with anxiety, bipolar disorder, and developmental delays. As he got older, he began running away, getting angry, making threats.
He gets loud, his voice gets deeper. There were enough calls to the police that they decided that they needed to step in.
I start and I review the reports from contacts that officers have had and wait to be dispatched out on scene.
In 2013, the city of Overland Park decided to follow Olathe, partnering with Johnson County Mental Health to provide officers with more crisis intervention training and hire a co-responder, Megan Younger.
Did you take a shower already?
Yep.
She's helped Rafi and his mom ever since, joining police at the family's home whenever 911 is called.
If some of their behaviors are caused by symptoms that could be treatable, sort of surrounding them with support is going to be better in the long run than having them go to jail.
Cutbacks in funding for mental health services have put police on the front lines. Truman Medical Center closed its behavioral health emergency room last September. Osawatomie State Hospital has lost many of its beds. And NAMI KC just announced it's closing its doors.
So there are real clear consequences for a underfunded or unfunded mental health system.
Jails have filled with mentally ill inmates who time and time again are arrested for minor offenses. In Johnson County, taxpayers pay about $90 a day to house each inmate. And if they're mentally ill, it costs even more, up to 4 times the amount.
Just taking someone to a jail, or when you're taking someone to the ER, it is very much is a Band-Aid approach as opposed to looking at what are the underlying issues. Last
year, Overland Park Police placed only 5 mentally ill people in jail out of 348 they came in contact with. And now the cities of Lenexa and Shawnee are joining the co-responder program. As for Rafi,
they used to put handcuffs on me.
He's learning to control his anger and how to better communicate.
I'm a nice guy. I don't want to be a bad guy.
But if there's a problem, he, his mom, and his neighbors now know who to call.
I really want to be respectful. I really want to behave.
Reporting in Johnson County, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.